Hi everybody, my name is Natalie if you're new, and today we're going to be doing a Sunday reset video. I'm having such a late start to the day. It's almost noon. It's a Sunday and I really wanted to sleep in, so it's okay. You know, sometimes you need it. But yeah, we're going to do a lot of cleaning today, a lot of organizing, a lot of self-care too, because I need to wash my hair and that takes like 2 hours. We're going to cook, we're going to work out, just a very productive day at home. So yeah. Okay, that was a very busy start of the day, but I cleaned my room. There's still the vacuum going on, but it's gonna be finished in a little bit. I did the first round of laundry, the second round is still going. I fed my bunny, but you didn't saw that. I cleaned the toilet, you also didn't see that. So far, this day is very productive, but I'm starving. It's 2 p.m. now, so let's make something for lunch. We have this ginormous baguette, so I think I'm gonna cut it in half. We also have so many tomatoes, so I'm thinking like, you know, mozzarella, tomatoes, pesto. We also have some prosciutto too. That's gonna be really good, oh my god. Caesar salad, so I'm gonna eat it as a side. Oh my goodness, this is the prosciutto, this is the Caesar. I'm so excited to eat this. This is amazing. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I just had like a 30-minute rest after lunch. I drank my coffee and now we have to finish the second round of laundry, so we're gonna take care of that. And then I also want to do a hair oil, so we're gonna do that, and during the time that it's gonna be in there, I also want to work out. But I'm starting to get kind of tired, even after the coffee. But it's maybe just because it started like raining / snowing. I don't really know what's that. But yeah, hopefully the workout will give me some energy. Anyways, let's do it. No idea how to put the oil into my hair. I'm not gonna be using any type of like special hair oil. I'm literally just using a regular oil from the store. I asked ChatGPT and he literally said anything from like coconut oil olive oil, argan oil, rapeseed oil, castor oil, literally any sort of oil is somehow good for your hair. But first I'm gonna brush my hair with this brush and like massage it a little bit because it's supposed to help with hair growth. I don't even know. I literally just saw a girl on TikTok, so you shouldn't be probably listening to me. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hair oil is in. I put it into a bun so I don't oil everything that I touch. But yeah, now I'm gonna take out the laundry and then workout time. A lot of work. I did 2 workouts today. First is the ab workout from Alex's Run. I think I did this workout like 200 times in my life. Well, probably even more. And then the second workout I did was the Daisy Keach bubble butt workout during quarantine or something like that. So 10 minutes of the first one, 10 minutes of the second one, then 10 minutes of stretching. That was my 30 minutes of workout time. Anyways, I think now I'm going to take care of this bed because I think the sheets are already dry. And then I'm going to shower because this hair is just not it. And then I think I'm going to just lay in that bed and do some email work and relax because I think my boyfriend's gonna be here any minute now and he's gonna cook us some dinner, which is perfect because I don't have to cook and I can work. So yeah. Showered. It's like an hour later, okay? Like I take my time. Also, I did a salicylic acid mask, so that's why my face is red, but it's okay. Anyways. Cute. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the video right now just because I don't think there's gonna be any more exciting things to do today. We just finished eating dinner, so I think I'm going to finish up on these emails and then we're going to put like a movie on or something and then we're just gonna go to bed. So yeah, nothing that exciting to see. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Definitely comment something for the algorithm. If you haven't been, go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, I love you so much. Thank you for all your support and I will see you in my next video. Bye!